Yo, what's going on, guys? Juhn back at you again. I'm with just Juhn. And check out his Subi. Man, this thing's clean, bro.
It's dirty, don't make it.
I'm riding with the friend of me. I like the Avengers, bro. You got the Harry Potter?
What you know about that?
Got Seahawks.
Bro, you should have seen my shift knob before this.
You got the samurai.
Bro, I was shifting like this.
Ooh. I saw a Subi over there. I thought that was you. Man, Subaru's everywhere. There's one right there.
Yeah, Subi, yeah.
There's another over there right there. I thought that was you parked over there. Got the Michael Jackson trim.
That's getting changed.
Since you're here, Juhn, I'm gonna do an interview.
What?
How long you own this car?
3 months.
3 months? How are you liking it so far?
It's cool. Except for, you know, Subarus come with many problems.
Yeah.
And I got a racing ticket already.
If y'all don't know, my boy Juhn, he's a hardcore street racer. Oh! He got that fatty ticket, man. Did you win though?
I always win, never lose.
I hope we don't die today.
My car sounds like a lawnmower, dude.
That's how it's supposed to run.
Like a lawnmower?
Well, a beefy lawnmower.
No, it sounds like that's to cut my grass.
This guy drives a Subaru, but he's always there to support. In heart, he's an Evo dude.
Shop.com, Evo. Oh shoot,
Then you got the merch.
Oh,
What's that called?
shout out to my homegirl, Soul Sense. Hit her up.
What's her IG?
Soul Sense. You know.
Soul Sense, okay. So what I like about you, Juhn, is you always fill up.
Where you going?
With the hand sanities.
You know, coronavirus is crazy.
He's got sanitary wipes there too.
What's up? 99% germs kill. I kill them germs.
Get him, Juhn.
She moves.
That pulls, bro.
Yeah.
It pulls. It's a good one.
You know what I mean when I say you can smell the gas and stuff?
I can smell it.
Yeah. Or the oil.
That's not the smell of gas.
Huh?
You know what that smell is? The smell of victory.
That's why I be smelling it all the time. I always win.
So you're taking us for our first date?
Dollar store.
Back at the building.
I was like driving one time, and then I scared my cousin because I went like that. I was like, oh! My cousin's like, oh! Quick releases are fun, dude.
Dude, Juhn, there was a bump over there. Oh!
Yes, sir. Yo, I'm on monster truck tires. What you mean? I'm good. I'll save 100%.
Yeah, my Evo would have died on that bump.
Dude, that's why.
100%.
That's what Subarus are for. We just go.
So this is our first date. Juhn's taking me to a good old
Chik-fil-A.
Chik-fil-A.
Where dreams are made of.
Is it?
I don't know.
Oh. Juhn, is that?
Bro.
What is that?
Coronavirus, use protection.
Oh shoot, so we're my boy Juhn, man. We're here just eating Chick-fil-A, waiting for the dude. Yeah, I'm getting rid of the selling them this precious. Juhn, want to take a look at this? This look good on your Evo, or your, not your Evo, but your Subi. Oh shoot, I thought it wasn't there.
So bad.
We drove all the way here just for nothing. But yeah, that thing's expensive.
Oh man, that's perfect in my car.
Yeah, it look good. So should we just put it in yours and just skip out? Say I lost it.
Just give him that one.
Yeah, so we're meeting up with the Evo dude locally, and we're gonna pull a trick. What are we gonna do, Juhn?
You know, Gen Evo is turning into Gen Subaru WRX.
So I'm gonna pull up and drive in his Subi, and I'm gonna say, I tricked you. I'm really that Subaru dude. So it's not Geneva, it's Jasubi. So let's meet up and let's pull up and give them the goods. Alright, here we go. How do you use recording?
It is?
Yeah, you just point and that's pretty much it. Is it already
recording?
We're about to pull up.
Man, that's a good Subi you got there, buddy.
Oh, you called 3 minutes ago.
Dang, bad customer service, dog.
I know. Oh wait. Oh yeah, when you want to stop, just press that unstop.
The unstop button. There's an unstop button.
Oh shoot, okay.
You mean the stop button?
You gotta be serious. Okay. Serious customer service.
Hey man, what's up?
Hey, what's up, bro? Actually,
Hi, how are you?
Pretty good. How are you?
Great. I'm in a parking lot right now.
Oh yeah, we're actually 5 or 30 seconds away from there. We're at the other parking lot. We were just eating. I was waiting for your call, but yeah, we'll be there in 30 seconds. I'll be driving a blue Evo.
Oh shit, man.
No, just kidding. No, I'm actually. You'll see. Okay, I'll be there. Jasubi.
How are you supposed to get in the park? Jeez. Donuts are not that important, people. They literally blocking off all lanes. What you gonna do about it?
You got car insurance? Smash. We'll smash right through.
You're so dumb.
Oh, this thing pulls, bro.
I told you. Bro, I'm a monster truck.
Oh, there it is. What's up? I lied, I'm Jasubi. Hey, what's up, man?
Yay, I'm on the camera.
Just vlogging, man.
Oh, yes.
Hey. All right. Actually, it's a Subaru.
Hey,
What's up?
I didn't expect to see a Subaru today.
How you doing, man?
Good, how are you?
Good. Hi. Did you drive far?
No, not really. It's about like an hour drive.
An hour drive?
Yeah, man.
Okay.
Hey, finally.
Yeah, man. I take really good care of
This
this.
is the thing, man. I've been looking for it since I got an Evo.
Oh, really?
Yeah,
What
man.
year's yours?
Mine's 06.
06? Yeah.
Man, sweet, man.
Man, it's S1, S3, and
let's see what
S2.
we
They're all
got
the
here.
same.
Yeah, man. See this cluster? Man, that's golden.
Look good, bro.
I don't know. I think it looks better than a Subi, though.
Well, we'll see. I'm not gonna get all the haters hating on me. We'll see. See if I can get my Evo fixed this year. See if this thing's running.
What's wrong with the Evo?
I threw a rock around.
Oh, the block.
Blew the engine up. I was running 35 pounds. I was like way too.
Oh, shit.
Yeah. The clusters.
Yeah, it should be okay. If anything's wrong, you just hit me up.
Yeah, man.
Do something. Yeah, take a whole look, man. There's no cracks. There's no.
Oh man, I'm not worried about that.
Yeah,
You know.
I just want to give you like the full customer service.
Yeah.
Dang.
On camera.
I almost switched out my cluster real quick and just threw in mine in that box.
Oh, yeah? Yeah, you better see it. This thing looks really good.
But oh yeah, it's
Follow
nice.
him on Instagram. What's his Instagram?
What's your IG?
Follow my Instagram, Bohan Kai. Right now, I'm just posting Beamer stuff because I don't have the Evo anymore. It's still in Pennsylvania.
It's still in the works. It's in the works.
In the work. We'll show some update recently and see if the car going back. I'm supposed to be back this month, but like we'll see.
Okay.
I'm gonna ship the car from Pennsylvania to here and hopefully update more Evo stuff.
Awesome. Bro.
Nice.
Oh yeah, man.
Okay, man.
Follow me up.
All right, bro.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Good to meet you, man.
Good to meet you, man.
What is that you got? You got that final Dragon Ball?
Yeah.
Where'd you
know,
find that? I was looking all over for that.
I just found it. That's what happens when you're a Subi driver. You just find stuff like that.
Oh, can I open this?
Go ahead, open it.
Why are you carrying a concealed weapon here, bro?
Bro, it's tough in the streets, dog.
Bro.
They don't know about that.
You get a license for that?
I do. Secret license.
Literally waited like that long of a line just to get 2 donuts.
Bro, you got 2 donuts.
Oh shoot, we almost stalled. That would have been embarrassing.
That would have been hilarious. I wasn't paying attention.
Bro, I'm seeing a lot of Subis around here, man.
Subis are the best.
When you said hi, did he wave back?
Of course. It's always peace sign.
Dang. Bye, Krispy Kreme.
Krispy Kreme.
It was a good day. We lost my cluster. We got 2 donuts. Happy to see. Well, that pretty much concludes part 1. So we sold the gauge cluster. We met up with a cool Evo dude that didn't bring his Evo. But again, follow his Instagram. What do you want to say, Juhn? We're on our way to see another Evo dude.
Part 2.
Part 2
coming soon. Let me see the directions.
We're almost there, bro. Close out the video. Hit the camera.
Oh, wait.
Hit my camera.
I don't know where I'm going. I gotta pay attention.
You gotta hit the camera lens so I can end.
Alright.
Just hit it.
We out. Chick-fil-A.